All right, boys, what's going on? Carlos, as usually, just buying every red candle. Scotty G, making some money. Is it Alibaba that you mentioned? What's going on, everybody? Kushal in the house. Scotty G, Carlos, just longing every red candle. NFP tomorrow, so let's take a look at the news. What do we got for news tomorrow? Here's the news. We got red folder event at 8:30 a.m. Unemployment, on-farm payrolls, NFP tomorrow with the craziness. The original Jeff, no NFP. Oh, government shutdown, right? So no NFP tomorrow. That makes sense. Yep. You guys are right. Government shutdown. All right. Well, no NFP. Markets rallying tonight. Got a couple surprises later tonight, so stay tuned. And let's take a look at the house account. How's the house account doing? House account is currently up $1,900. You guys are slowly trading that account. Payout, nice. All right. Julian, what's up? The original Jeff, new all-time high all day tomorrow. All right. I'm going to be doing something here real quick. Whoops. There we go. Hold on, guys. I gotta do something here real quick. Chad, what's going on, brother? Andrew P. The original Jeff promised that what I'm doing is for a reason. And all right. Trust me, as I'm seeing names, I'm doing a couple things here, so bear with me. Bear with me, guys. And I just typed in the reason in the chat. Let me make sure I'm on live chat here. All right, I'll continue to update this as we go. All right, so how was everyone's trading tonight? How's everyone's trading this morning? This morning was choppy as F. This morning I walked out in the green, but I had a beautiful setup for a flush, and nasty NASDAQ just trapped me. I got the recovery trade afterward, but I bailed. Once I start seeing NASDAQ do that nasty traps, run for the hills. All right. Chad M got chopped up in New York. Yeah, man. It was like I said, I had 3 trades, 1 loss, 2 wins, and the loss though was a nasty trap. That should have been a beautiful golden trade and coulda, coulda, woulda. Anyways. All right. Jesse James up 847 across all accounts tonight. Might call it there. Nice. Nicely done. Kushal, yeah, I walked out green in the morning stream. But I got pissed on a flush. That trade should have played out nicely. Took an L on that one. The next trade was the recovery for that trade and closed it up. It was a chop fest. Carlos, all-time high at 180. All right, let's take a look at the market. Take a look at the house account. House account is up $1,900 right now. I'm going to be focusing on the house account as I take a look at the chat. You guys in the chat probably know what I'm doing, so just bear with me. The chat account is open for trades now. Up $1,900. For anybody just tuning in, the house account is available for you guys to take trades. Harish, what's up, brother? Jeff going long to 181. That's what, previous day high at 181? Is that the high of day? No, high of day is... Oh yeah, current overnight high, 181. All-time high. Kushal long at 7 p.m. and short at 7 a.m. is the game these days. Market, man. Just who would have thought? Government shutdown and the market rallies. Cooper, apparently government shutdown, no NFP tomorrow. That's the word on the street. Well, good evening to everyone. Last day of the week for the Asia session. NQ rallying. I haven't taken a look at gold yet. What's gold doing? Gold taking a pullback at 883. So NQ, I'm waiting for a pivot point touch. Let's see. Cooper, they have the data just saying, I guess. I honestly don't know how government shutdown and data works. I'm assuming they release it, although several have said no data release. So your guess is better than mine. Well, good evening to everybody. Let's see, NQ pushing. At this point, I'm going to wait for that. I mean, 158. We're going to see all-time highs tonight? Jeez. Jeff Koski confirming he's got some emails. No NFP tomorrow. Cooper, I'll be up at 6 anyways. Humper, what's up, buddy? All right, let's see what else we got here. Okay, we're going to focus on the house account tonight. If you guys want to take some trades, I'm watching the chat for a surprise later, so bear with me. Jaslo, good evening. Good evening and welcome to the stream. All right, welcome everybody. Tonight I'll probably make it a short night. Gotta start packing, headed to Sedona for the weekend. So most likely we'll make it a short night, and tomorrow morning I'm still not sure if I'm trading it. If I do, it's going to be a quick 30 minutes, 45 minutes and get the hell up. Get on the road. All right, so how did everybody do today? Nasty NASDAQ Chop Fest, at least for the first hour or two of the New York Open. It was choppy. Anybody take some trades already tonight? Well, I know Jesse James is up already tonight. Scotty G made 1,400. All right, brother, nicely done. NQ killed me, DJNY. Yeah, well, you saw me this morning. I had that beautiful setup for the flush. And I waited about an hour for that play, and you're gonna tell me you're gonna trap me, rip me right back up 20, 30 points. I had to stop out. I eventually took the short again and got the loss back. After I saw that, I was like, that's nasty. I'm done. I did walk out in the green this morning nicely, about 900 bucks per account, but that was nasty. DJNY lost 1,500. So better than blowing account. So good job. Stopping the loss. In other words, ending it at 1,500. Good job. Right investment. Unfortunately, on the house account, I had to close the trade earlier because I had to go to bed. So it did get some green, but I didn't leave it all night. I'm going to be honest with you. Or I didn't leave it for a couple hours. Julian recovered 1,900. This morning was crazy. You guys saw my frustration on that play. I waited for an hour to get stopped out. I was like, no. And I took the revenge trade. Not the revenge trade. I just entered the same direction a little higher for the short. Got it. But I know myself. When I start acting like that, that's tilt. So I closed it up, walked nicely in the green, and just opened the charts right now. Jesse James, did you catch a couple of episodes of Landman? No, I did not. I was tired, so I knocked out. The plan is tonight, watch Landman a little bit. But I got to tell you, that other show, Lioness, Season 2. I mean, Season 1 was good, but Season 2 of Lioness. What a show. How did I not know about that show? Very impressive. Mr. Structure, welcome, brother. So Landman is my next one that I'll start watching. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I'm going to be busy tonight, guys, so probably not trading, but this is the reason why. I'm watching this chat. So house account is active for you guys to take trades. Let me know. Nicolas Gomez, the man from the other side of the ocean. What's up, brother? The original Jeff wants the full port long NQ right. Hey, if you want to take the trade on the house account, be my guest. You just can't full port it. 4 minis is the max, or 40 micros. So for anybody new tuning in, the house account is the account that you guys, the viewers, trade. You guys can take trades on it. Just let me know in the chat your entry, your stop loss, and your TP, what you're trading, NQ, gold, whatever it is that you like to trade, whether you're trading minis and micros, and we'll take it. Your original Jeff, so you want to take, where do you want to enter on, NQ? And do you want minis or micros? How many minis? How many micros? Let me know, brother. Five micros. All right, so let me get the micros. 5 NQ B5, right? All right, so you want me to mark it in with 5 micros, correct? Let me know what you want to do. Let me know your entry on original Jeff. Let me know the entry on the micros when you want me to go in, or if you want me to market order in right now, I can do that too. All right, VWAP on NQ. I guess last night I missed that play. 127 potentially. All right. No worries. So for anybody who wants to take a trade on the house account, whether it's gold, NQ, whatever you want, just call it. Just say community account trade, and community account trade, give me your entry, your TP, your stop loss, how many micros or how many minis, and we'll play it. All right. Interesting. All right, guys. I'm also going to update a little mistake I had yesterday on the Lucid trading. I forgot who pointed it out with the consistency rule. So let me give you guys the updated version. Here we go. This was the 50K challenge, or some of the popular 50K prop firm accounts. Lucid trading. This is the correct Lucid trading lineup. No activation fee. It does have a $1,200 daily loss limit on the evals, right? No consistency rule, Rhythmic, Tradeify, Project X, and a 1-day pass. Because there's no activation fee, it's $81 to get to the sim funded stage. Trade day, no activation fee, no daily loss limit, 30% consistency rule. Tradeify, Project X, 5-day pass, $69 for the intraday. And again, with no activation fee, it's actually the least expensive of all of them, right? To get to the sim funded stage for $69, 50K sim funded since it has no activation fee. So I corrected Lucid Trading. It does have a $1,200 daily loss limit, no consistency rule, and now they have Ninja and Tradeivate available. Of course, with all of them, you can use code JCDT. Take Profit Trader, still probably one of the most flexible in terms of consistency rule, 50% consistency rule on that one. But here's the updated lineup on the 50K accounts for Lucid Trading. All right, let's go back to the house account. Let me take a look at the chat. Why is Bulenox so cheap? So Bulenox has always been cheap, but here's the catch with Bulenox and Apex, right? Activation fee applies. So Bulenox, although it's cheap, it does have an activation fee. Apex, same story, $37.40, but the activation fee brings both of these around $100 or more. So although it's cheaper to start, once you pay the activation fee for the sim funded account or your PA or your master account, the price does go up. Now, if you're a beginner trader, right, and you're still not getting to pay out your blowing accounts and you're still learning how to trade futures, I think Apex or Bulenox are both good options in terms of price, where if you're blowing accounts and not worried about a payout yet, right, these are good prop firm accounts to, have a little bit skin in the game and get yourself into trading futures on a prop firm. So there you go. And of course, with all of them, you can use code JCDT. It automatically updates to the latest and best promo. All right, let's go back to the house account. Harish is Lucid end of day. Hold on, let me go back to the promo. Let me see. I want to say yes, but let me take a look at the website. I'll tell you yes. For a minute. Lucid Trading. Yes, drawdown for Lucid Trading is end of day. Here we go. Lucid Trading, end of day drawdown type on the Lucid test. Okay. Go back to the house account. All right, let me make sure I catch everybody here in the chat. All right. Sorry, I was doing something here. Going to be a little distracted tonight. Look at this chat. Carlos in along to the moon. The original Jeff. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, my friend. Don't be afraid. Hey, guys, the house account. Don't worry if you take a loss. That's what the house account is there for. Moise Javed, welcome to the stream. I don't think I've seen you before, so welcome and welcome to the stream. All right, let's take a look at gold. What is gold doing here? All right. Gold is just kind of hanging out. Oh. NQ seems to be moving tonight. Tradeify prop is just clickbait. It's prop tools for firms. I have not used Tradeify prop. Thumper, I'm already long, but I just posted a possible trade for the house account over in chart section. Thumper, if you want to give me that trade here in the chat, I'll be happy to. I don't have Discord open right now. Moise, 10K payout last week already. Nice. Good stuff, brother. Lasky, bye, bye, bye. Sell, sell, sell. All right, NQ. Are we going to hit all-time highs tonight again during the Asia session? Wow, that's crazy. Jesse, I didn't even think about that, where Tradeify prop is the new version, is a different version of Project X, which all prop firms could share data. Yeah. NS, what EMAs, SMAs do you have there? So 20 SMA is the purple line, 200 SMA is a red line, and 9 EMA is the blue line. Sorry, guys. Lasky, just saying that you talked about the Project X aspect. They don't actually share the data. I know a few owners and sat down to ask them that question in specific. The only one that I have not asked is Michael. So unless he's stealing everyone's backdoor information without... Blasky, I think there's been multiple posts. It was actually on the Project X website that they do share the data with other prop firms. There's also the rumor that Project X, although Topstep hasn't accepted it, is owned by Topstep. Project X being owned by Topstep. See if I can find the on Project X sharing of data. Yeah, the question is, would any prop firm owner be allowed to say, yes, Project X shares data, assuming the owners of Project X, whether it's Michael and Topstep or somebody else, would be smart enough to say that if you use Project X, you have an NDA. So I don't know if I could base it on a prop firm owner who's tied to an NDA or confidentiality agreement. But who knows? Jesse, James, either way, I'm okay just sticking to normal Ninja. Same here. I'm okay sticking without Project X, especially since Michael or even Project X has refused to say they don't share data after all the accusations on X. You would think they would come out and just simply say, no, we don't. I'm not buying it. But anyways, none of my business. Original Jeff, he said it on the stream that they do that. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I don't trade Project X, so I don't really care. But it's interesting if this Tradeify prop is going to be kind of like the private label version now of, what's it called? Tradeify platform, private label for props to brand it. Just ain't right. This market is insane. Yes, sir. Chat and Project X moves like pocket option. LOL. All right, I'm going to be a little busy, guys, here with the chat. I'll explain a little later, so bear with me. Viv, for sure. Good to see you. NQ, I guess, are we really going to see, well, we've seen all-time highs over and over during the overnight, so I guess we're going to see all-time highs again. Wow. Viv for short in the house. Good evening, young lady. Yeah, it's slow. I'm going to hold the NASDAQ until we get stronger pullback. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold also, a little descending channel. Tyson, the chat account has no trades right now. So if you want to place a trade on the house account, just let me know what you want. Entry, exit, all that good stuff. Oh, short the current price. What do you want? 5 minis or 5 MGC, so 5 micros. All right, so we're going to get a house account trade, 5 micros short. Market order in, correct? Okay, shorting gold right now. Stop at 38.80. Oh, wait a minute. I think I did the wrong one. Let me close that. We go with 5 micros here. Whoops. Here we go. So we are shorting current price. Stop at 38.84. Here we go. And Scotty G, have a good night, brother. Thanks for tuning in. And at TP at 38.70. All right, so the house account is in a trade now with gold. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be busy with something here, so I'm going to be a little distracted, but I promise it's for a good reason. Carlos, good luck, house account. I'm doing same trade. All right, so the house account currently in a trade on micros with gold, 5 micros, 38.77 entry, targeting 38.70 with a stop at 38.84. Gold just broke that pivot point at 38.78. NS, what do you mean by house account? So the house account is the trade. Actually, I should call it the community account, the chat and community account. It's the account for you guys to trade. You guys, the viewers, can take trades on it. All I need, you just call the trade in the chat. You can say, hey, trade for the community account. Here's my entry, my stop, my TP, how many micros or minis you're going in with, and that's it. So that is the chat community account for you guys to trade. There is a reward for those who trade it, regardless if you take winning trades or losing trades. If that account gets the payout, it's divvied up between those who trade it. Harish, I was the first to lose on the chat account. Never risked again. Harish, don't worry about it, man. That's what the chat account is for you guys to take a little leap of faith and trade it. Don't worry if you win or lose or whatever. We don't pay attention to that. Nicholas Nicholas still has nightmares with that tight stop. Well, the good thing is you had a winning trade. You just had a tight stop, but you had the right idea. But I wouldn't worry about losses on the house account. The goal is for you guys to trade it. All right, I'm going to do a little roll call here. Carlos, Kushal, Chad M. You guys are here, correct? Just type a yes in the chat. Carlos, Kushal, and Chad, just give me a yes. Cool. Andrew P, the original Jeff. Jesse James, well, I know you're here, Jesse. Andrew P, the original Jeff, and Jesse, well, Jesse's here. Andrew P, the original Jeff, and SR, give me a yes. All right, you're here. So SR, Cooper, and Julian, are you guys here? I just saw Cooper. So SR and Julian, are you here? Cooper, yep, I gotcha. SR and Julian. All right. Jerry Mitchell, DJNYCEN. Just saw DJNY. Jerry Mitchell, are you here? All right, Jerry Mitchell going once, going twice. All right. Jason 315 New York, Harish and Thumper. Thumper, I just saw you. So Jason 315, Harish. I saw Harish a couple minutes ago. Thumper, yes. Okay. Jason 315 and Harish, are you guys still here? All right, next line. Harish, yep, okay, good. You guys will understand pretty soon why I'm doing this. Jazlo, Structure, Right Investments. Jazlo, Structure, Right Investments. So let me know if you're still here. The chat. Right Investments, perfect. Jazlo, I haven't seen. Structure. All right, SR is here. Good. I just took that X away from you. You'll see in a second. Right Investments, you're here. Jason 315 is here. Okay. See who else is in this list. Nate, Megamind Taylor, Nicholas Gomez. Nate, Megamind Taylor, and Nicholas Gomez. Nicholas, I know you're here. Nate and Megamind Taylor. All right, cool. Nate. All right, PR77, Josh C, Moise Javed. You're coming, Viv. You're coming. You're next. PR77, Josh C, and Moise Javed. You guys are here? All right, Josh is here. I think I saw PR77 in a few minutes ago. Moise Javed. Viv for short, Tyson Hall, NS. And last but not least, Happy Kids. It's here as well. All right, so Viv4 Short, Tyson Hall, NS. All right, Viv4 Short is here. Yep. Tyson Hall, I know I saw you earlier. NS, you're part of the crew. All right. Rebby, you chat here all the time. You're added. Ten minutes. 10 minutes. Yef Malik, I've seen you here before, so I'm adding you to the list. Brewski had a family tragedy. He's going to be out for a couple days, probably another week or so. But we wish Brewski and his family well. All right, guys. The fun starts in 9 minutes. It's 1 hour into the stream. All right, house account. Like I said, I'm going to be a little distracted today, so don't mind me. All right, 300. What is it? We're in 5 micros on gold on the community of their chat account. Currently in the green. What is it? 150 bucks. Looking at a target of 870. Let's go. All right, I got a call here for Julian, Jerry Mitchell, Jaslow, and Nate. Let me know if you guys are here. Julian, Jerry Mitchell, Jaslow, and Nate. Fun starts in 8 minutes. John Bergeron in the house. Good evening, sir. Good to see you. That gold trade looking golden, huh? Peter Chan in the house. What's up, brother? All right, so last call for Julian, Jerry Mitchell, Jaslow, and Nate. Peter Chan, the house account right now is in gold. Who took that gold trade again? I forgot who took the gold trade. Hold on. Let me write down this name. That was Tyson. Got it. Last call, Frau call. All right, party starts in 5 minutes. Marco, DB, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for tuning in. Jesse, I don't think you've missed anything. I'll announce it in 5 minutes. I think you guys get the idea. I gotta stop cooking dinner during the streams. I gotta have dinner during the streams. I'm starving right now. Carlos stopped out on GC with profit, trailing it. Nice. I love my barbecue, brother. Every weekend. Steaks, some chicken, and some pork ribs for the week. It's my breakfast, lunch, and dinner every single day. Every single day. Nicholas Gomez put on his lucky socks. Oh, I can see Nicholas Gomez in some shorts and some knee-high socks. Megamind Taylor, you're a carnivore like me. Yeah, man, it's been a life changer. I switched to carnivore about over a year ago now and haven't looked back. It's carnivore. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No fruits, no veggies, nada. That's it. I get one cheat day a month. Boy, do I eat everything on that day. Megamind Taylor, 3 years on carnivore. Nice. Yeah, I get one cheat day a month, and I go crazy. Take advantage of that. All right, what do we got? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Should I wait till 8 p.m.? 2 minutes for 1 hour on the stream. Jesse's month 3 on Hostess. Carlos, puro carne. Yep. All right, 1 minute. Here we go. I'm going to start doing last call for Julian, Jerry Mitchell, Nate, Jaslow, Moise Javed. Julian, Jerry, Nate, Jaslow, Moise Javed. If you're on stream, type a yes in the chat ASAP. Oh, Julian, you almost got kicked out. All right, Jerry. All right, guys. You guys saved by the bell. All right, so that leaves Nate Jaslow and Moise Javed. You guys need to say yes ASAP, and we're 10 seconds away from 1 hour into the stream. All right. All right, 1 hour in. Should we wait till 8 o'clock? Nah, let me stick to my... All right. So we're going to do some 50K Lucid trading giveaways courtesy of Lucid Trading. Not even coming out of my pocket. So this is courtesy of Lucid Trading. We're going to do some 50Ks tonight. I'm also going to reward the morning stream. I did not promote this on X. I didn't promote it on the thumbnail on the YouTube. I didn't want everybody to come in here and, oh, it's a giveaway, and I'm going to join the stream just for this giveaway. So I kept it a little DL so that hopefully you guys that support the stream every night are the ones who get the giveaway. Last time I did a giveaway, unfortunately, people that I've never even heard of, never even saw again, won. So this time I did not promote it. Die, I know you. You're added to the list. Let's do Die NGUN. So this one was not promoted on X, was not promoted on the YouTube thumbnail. I didn't even put it in the title. I wanted to make sure that you guys, somebody in the crew wins some of these accounts. Okay, SR. The first round is not for anybody new. I'll open it up to anybody new afterwards. I want to make sure that you guys that have supported the stream have a good chance of getting these accounts. I've given a roll call for Nate, Jaslow, and Moise. Fortunately, I don't see you guys, so I'm taking you guys off. But the loyal, that's why I didn't promote it. I didn't want to put it on X. I didn't want to, I want to make sure somebody that actually has been promoting this, not promoting this, I wouldn't expect you guys to promote, has been supportive, joins the stream once or twice a week, participates in the chat. So I've been quietly, that's why I'm not trading tonight. I've been quietly just kind of writing the names down as I see you in the chat. And that's the goal. I'll do a giveaway afterwards for some of the new people, maybe on Monday. And I will do another giveaway tomorrow morning. All right, so this is the list. Carlos, Kushal, Chad, Andrew, the original Jeff, Jesse James, SR, Cooper, DJ NYC, Jason 315, Harish, Thumper, Structure, Right Investments, Megamind Taylor, Nicholas, PR77, Josh C, Viv for short, Tyson Hall, NS, Happy Kids, Rebby, Nayek Malif, John Berger, and Peter Chan, Nathan, Julian, Jerry Mitchell, Zach, and best DJ in town. Dude, I know you, so yes, you're being added. Best DJ in town. I know JT1111, you participate. And I'm closing it for this round, all right? This round, I'm closing it. It's just for really the people that I see here that have been chatting, supporting the channel. Thank you. And we're going to do a giveaway. So I'm going to click this 3 times. First time is a loser. Second time is a loser. Third time is the winner. All right, you guys ready? You guys ready? Let's do this, all right? So appreciate you all. This is for 150K Lucid eval. So not the first one, not the second one, the third one. Let's go. All right, not the first one. Not the second one. And now the winner. All right, let's go. This one is the winner. This one is the winner. You ready? For 150K Lucid account, courtesy of Lucid. Oh, Chad M wins it. All right, Chad, I need you to come into the Discord. Chad, I need you to come into the Discord. Send me a DM. I'm going to type it in right now. And I'll send you a code. I'm not sending money. It's none of that nonsense. These are giveaways directly from Lucid for our trading community. So, Chad, I'm hopping onto the Discord right now. If you can send me a DM, I'll send you a code so that you can redeem. Chad, this is me. Please DM me. Actually, what I should do is say, Chad, you need to redeem this within the next 5 minutes. To be fair. Oh, there you are, Chad. Good. So you got it. Can you send a Discord link? You're welcome to all. Is my email on the website? Hold on. If you don't have Discord, let me check out my website real quick. Does the website have my email address? All right, Chad, if you want to email me or hop on the Discord link is on the website, www.jcdaytrader.com. JC, Discord link has expired. Please share a new link. That's odd. The Discord link should work. If not, hold on, let me check. All right, that's the Discord link. That should work for you, Chad. If not, I hate putting emails on in public. You can email me here as well, Chad. Let me know when you get this. All right, good. Original Jeff was able to get in, so he's fine. Chad, let me know when you're in, and I will share the code because I would like for you to confirm that you got the code, that you were able to activate your account. And I'd like to confirm your message before I give that code to the wrong someone pretending to be you. So we'll wait. We'll wait for Chad. Should we do another giveaway? Should we do another one? I don't know. You guys tell me. All right. We'll do another one. The list is closed, though. I'm keeping it to the tight community. Like I said, I didn't promote it. I didn't put this on X. I didn't put this on thumbnails or anything like that. I really wanted to make sure somebody that participates here gets it. All right. Chad, you need to get in touch with me. So I want to make sure that I get Chad taken care of first, and then we'll do the next one, guys. You should be able to just enter right into the server. If not, well, no, because if I put an email, everybody's going to email. You always have a knucklehead saying, hey, I'm Chad, I won. You're always going to get a knucklehead. So I'd prefer... All right, in the meantime, let's take a look at the house account trade. How's the house account trade? Let me take care of Chad, I believe, does have Discord die. Let's take a look at the chat account, and we'll do another giveaway in a few. These are Lucid accounts, 50Ks, courtesy of Lucid Trading. All right, we're taking a look at the house account. We'll do another giveaway in a few. The list is locked to those of you that joined Team Massive. How you doing, brother, with your blessings every day? Appreciate you. Carlos, you're on this list. Don't go, buddy. Team Massive, you're a supporter, brother. You're on. All right, let's take care of Chad. Chad, buddy, I need your help so we can get you this account. I do want to get you taken care of before I give the next giveaway. All right, Chad. Sending you a message right now. I need you to repeat what I just wrote on the Discord so that I know it is you and not somebody impersonating you. Let's go with type the message that I just wrote for you in Discord, Chad. See Daisy. Guys, the giveaway is locked as of this point. I kind of kept it on a DL. It's for folks that have already been chatting. Although some of you I know, and I'm adding you as I recognize your names. Chad, I just sent you a message. I need you to type that in the YouTube chat. The message that I just wrote. In the meantime, I'm getting your code ready. And we're still watching the house account. We got another giveaway. We got another giveaway in a few for 50K Lucid eval. Chad, I'm waiting for you to type the message that I just sent you on your Discord if that's you. Once I get Chad taken care of, I'll move on to the next one. All right, guys, just bear with me. In the meantime, we're watching the house account trade. Chad, trying to verify. All right, sir, we'll wait for you. No worries. Jesse James, too many scammers. Got to do multi-factor auth for giveaways. Well, I'm trying to at least keep it tight this time. Last time, I accept it wasn't fair. We had people, hey, listen, it was a giveaway, but people that I never ever saw again won it. Julian, just wait. We got another giveaway, buddy. I would wait a little bit. Thumper, have a good night. You're still on the list if you want to wait a little bit. All right, since some of you are going to bed, and I already said that I'm going to make it a quick night, let's do the next giveaway right now. All right? Y'all ready? All right. Somebody type a number, the first number that I see in the chat. Somebody just type a number in the chat real quick. Real quick. Any number. 5. All right. So 5 is the number. 5, 5, 5, 5. So we're going to do this 5 times. So I'm going to click this 5 times. The 5th time is the winner. All right? Guys, that's it. I love it. I love the engagement. All right. 5 times. Chad, correct. Just type in the message that I sent you. All right, ready? 5 times. The 5th time is the winner. Ready? Here we go. Sorry, guys. The list is closed. It was open for the first hour. Here we go. My mouse is frozen. Number 1. All right, that's number 1. Remember, it's the 5th one. Number 2. All right. Number 3. Number 4. All right, ready? Now this is the winner, number 5. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here's the winner now. Ready? Let's go. Boom. Good luck to everybody. Oh. Yes! Cooper! All right. Very nice. Cooper, send me a message, buddy. You're on Discord. If not, I think I have your email somewhere. Cooper, congratulations. So that is a 50K Lucid account. Congrats, Cooper. Chad, were you able to get through, buddy? I need you to... Cooper, if you're not on stream, Jesse and John... if you guys can get his email for me, I'll communicate that way and send him his code. Chad, I messaged in the main lobby. Okay, let's see. Help. All right, go to your messages. I sent you a DM. Nice, Cooper. So you guys have both win 50K Lucid trading accounts. Cooper, if you want to send me a quick DM in Discord, or if not, I can email you the code. Again, this is not even out of my pocket. This is courtesy of Lucid Trading, and we got some more. Oh boy, Chad, you gotta click on your chat box to send a message. All right, Thumper, have a good night. That, I believe, is going to be it for tonight in terms of giveaways. We do have some more for next week. I'll probably do one in the morning session as well. Oh, look at that. We just got hit. TP on the house account for 378. Nice trade. The original Jeff, good night. Tyson Hall, look at you, bro. Nice trade. All right, so overall, a great night here. So Chad and Cooper get 50K Lucid test or evals accounts, courtesy of Lucid Trading. I do want to correct something that I said yesterday. The Lucid Trading had a little mistake here on the 50K review. This is looking at the 50K accounts on some of these prop firms. Lucid Trading, the correct is 40% off, no activation fee, a 1,200 daily loss limit, no consistency rule, rhythmic. Now they have Tradeify and Project X and a 1-day pass. So for 81 bucks, Lucid and Trading Day with no activation fee seem to be the best value with no activation fee. Apex and Bulenox. Chad M. Scottsdale, nicely done, brother. Let me finish this and I'll send you the code. Apex and Bulenox, although cheaper at the beginning with the 91% and 80% off, they both have activation fees. So when you calculate the activation fee, both of these are above 100 bucks. Lucid Trading and Trade Day with their, I would say, no activation fee and kind of different rules do have the best value. And then Take Profit Trader with the most flexible consistency rule in the eval phase for 50Ks, 50% consistency rule with no activation fee at 102 bucks. So correcting the info that I gave yesterday on Lucid, this is now correct. 1,200 daily loss limit and a 1-day pass. Of course, you can use promo code JCDT on all of them, and appreciate all of you that have already been using promo code JCDT. Chad, that is correct. That is what I wrote to you, but I need you to send me a DM so I can send you the promo code for your account, your free account, on the message. All right, let's go back to the chat account while I fool around here on Discord. Oh, there you go. Okay, so Chad, let me send you your code for your free account. You're going to have to go to the Lucid website, send you the link. Chad, here's the link for Lucid, and I'm going to send you your winning code. If you can open up your account now and confirm with the chat that you were able to open it with the code that I just sent you, I would appreciate that. That way I have some peace of mind that you got your account. Chad, no worries, you're good. I saw your message and you're good to go. I just sent you the code in your message. Go to the link that I just put there in the chat, Lucid Trading, and you can open a 50K test account with that code for free. All right. Cooper, same thing to you. I don't think I've seen your message yet. Chat account. Look at that. Tyson Hall with the win for tonight. John with 110 ticks on his short. Nicely done. SR, I can speak about Lucid direct accounts. Payouts are happening. Trade Day, still don't have a payout, but I have not seen payout denials on social media with Trade Day. Lucid, 100% paying. Chad M, it is a test account. Chad. Lucid test. Chris Noof. You missed it by a couple minutes, brother, but there's more coming, so no worries. Chad, no pasa nada. Chad, and when you get a chance, confirm that you were able to get your account set up, all right? Congratulations. Cooper, I don't think I've seen a message from you, bud. On Discord, at least. Let me know how you would like to get your code over. And again, guys, this is courtesy of Lucid Trading. Feel free to check them out. Again, right now, Lucid Trading 40% off. Actually, you do get your first 2 accounts at 50% off with promo code NINJA. I'm going to bring you up that flyer pretty soon. No activation fee, 1,200 daily. Again, this is for the 50K. No consistency rule, Rhythmic Tradeify, Project X available, 1-day pass for $81. All right, let me go back to the chat account. And let me show you guys the flyer on the 50K. All right, here we go. All right, here's the promo for the 50% off of your first 2 accounts with Lucid Trading. If you use this code NINJA50, you do get 50% off on your first 2 accounts through October 6th with Lucid Trading. Obviously, they've added Tradeify Prop and Ninja Trader Prop. After that, or if you've already used this code, you can use code JCDT for 40% off. So that's the current promo at Lucid Trading. Chad, you have the account? Congrats, brother. All right. Just wanted to make sure, transparency for everybody. Congrats, Chad, on your new account. I like to do it that way. That way, I hold myself accountable to you guys with these giveaways. Cooper, let me, I believe somebody sent me an email that you had forwarded to somebody else. Let me see if I can find that. I'm going to email you, and if you confirm on the chat, then we're good. Extraordinary Cave Trader, intraday trailing drawdown with Apex. Oop. I think I got your email. I just sent you an email. If you want to just confirm. Then I'll shoot right back your code as well. Wow, gold is tanking tonight. SR, good night. All right, brother. Coming your way now, Coop. And if you can also confirm that you were able to set up your account, I would appreciate it. Here. Harish, if it's your first, hey brother, hold on, Harish. Let me explain. If it's your first account with Lucid Trading, don't use my promo code because that's only 40% off. Use the link that I just sent you guys. Hold on, where is that link? Lucid Trading, here we go. Let me copy this link. Use this link. I just put it in the chat, and use this code Ninja50 gives you 50% off of your first 2 accounts at Ninja Trader. So click on that link, Harish, that I just put in the chat. In your first 2 accounts, you use Ninja50 with Lucid for 50% off direct and test accounts. After that, you can use promo code JCDT, my code that you guys are used to seeing, for 40% off. But at the beginning, those first 2 accounts take advantage of that 50% discount. All right, let's go back to the house account. Perfect. Perfect, Harish. All right, brother. Good stuff. Let me see. Did I respond to... Yeah, Coop, you should have the email with your promo code as well. And whenever you get a chance, just confirm that you were able to set up your account as well. So again, guys, if you are opening up accounts with Lucid, take advantage of the first 2 accounts. Where is this? Of your first 2 accounts with Ninja50, you get 50% off of your first 2 accounts. After that, use the link that I just placed in the chat, Lucid promo link. Here we go. Let me make sure I'm not copying promo code here. Hold on for 1 second. Glad I caught myself. I could have copy pasted a promo account. I want to do that. All All right, so there's a promo link in the chat, and you can use Ninja50 for 50% off of your first 2 accounts, and then after that, you can use code JCDT for 40% off. All right, back to house account. And Coop, you should have the code in your email as well. CB just got one with Lucid just now. Nice. Yeah, like I said, I think with Lucid Trading and Trade Day, I was surprised when I actually did this breakdown yesterday. When you factor in the no activation fee, Lucid and Trade Day have very competitive all in once you get to straight to funded, $81 on a 50K and $69 on an intraday account with Trade Day with no activation fee. So again, Apex and Bulenox, obviously the cheapest of all of them. I think Apex and Bulenox for new traders, or if you're, just starting with futures and still blowing accounts and not necessarily worrying about a payout, but more of where could I learn how to trade futures for the least amount of money, your tuition money. Bulenox and Apex at $37 and $15.75 offer a great way to trade futures. The only issue with both of these is it's cheap to get in, but you do have activation fees on both, which brings their fees over $100 compared to Trade Day and Lucid. Take Profit Trader, I think, is still the leader in terms of the most flexible consistency rule at 50%, and 102 all in once you get to the sim funded stage with no activation fee. All right, back to the house account. NS, I don't know what the activation fee on a 50K for Bulenox. I'm actually making that spreadsheet. I'll have that for Monday, and I'm going to go over all the sim-funded accounts. The activation fee for a 150K on Bulenox is $4.95. Oh, there we go. Peter Chan, $149 for the master account 50K. I trade 150Ks, and it's $4.95. Jesse, yeah, I'm going to send an email to MFF. I honestly haven't had a chance. Holy cow, gold is just tanking here, huh? Wow. Peter Chan, yeah, I learned my lesson. 150K with Bulenox, the activation fee is $4.95. So I get it. I guess you got to look at Bulenox as it's cheap. If you can YOLO in one day, you're paying for a straight to funded account, pretty much. That's what Bulenox is at that cheap. You can pass it pretty quickly, then you're paying for a straight to funded at that point. Cooper, good stuff, brother. Congrats. I'm happy that someone that I see every day got it. So Cooper, congratulations on that. And we'll have some more coming up next week. All right, so guys, I got to call it early. I got to head over to Sedona tomorrow. So I'll be trading in the morning pretty quick and then get on the road. But I got to start packing. So that's it for tonight. Congrats to the winners. CB loves Sedona. Yeah, man, it's my spiritual retreat every now and then. Chris Noof, appreciate you, brother. Zach, good night. Good night, everybody. Again, sorry, I got to make it a early stop tonight. I got to pack. Otherwise, the wife will kill me. But I'll see you guys in the morning. It'll be a very quick stream. Hopefully a Friday with no major losses, and enjoy the weekend. JT1111, good night, brother. Nicholas Gomez, good night. Kushal, good night. CB, Peter Chan. Appreciate you all for tuning in. And I will see you all. Jerry Mitchell, have a great night. If you're new to the stream, hey, Hop on every now and then, hit that like, hit that subscribe. PR77, Andrew P, Megamind Taylor, Chad, and I appreciate everybody who's been using that code JCDT as I start building the affiliate ranking within these prop firms. My goal is to bring that straight into giveaways for you guys, for the community. So stay tuned. All right, guys, have a good night. Appreciate you all.